Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 6th July 2020 and in this session we are going to discuss and analyze today's current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. So proceed towards today's session. This was our previous three questions. Our first question was Karnam Sekhar retired as Managing Director and CEO of which bank? SBI, PNB, IOB, HDFC. The correct answer here is option C, IOB, Indian Overseas Bank. Okay. And the headquarters of the Indian Overseas Bank is in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and Indian Overseas Bank is founded in 1937. Okay, our second question was India and which country forms LPG 50-50 joint venture company? Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Japan, Russia. The correct answer here is option A, Bangladesh. Recently, India and Bangladesh forms LPG 50-50 joint venture company. Okay, the capital of the Bangladesh is Dhaka, currency is Taka, and Prime Minister is Sheikh Hasina. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. Who has released the Good Clinical Practice Guideline Handbook? Dr. Harshvardhan, Narendra Modi, Prahlad Joshi, Hardeep Singh Puri. The correct answer here is Dr. Harshvardhan. Okay. Dr. Harshvardhan, Union Health Minister, has released the Good Clinical Practice Guideline Handbook. Okay. Narendra Modi is our Prime Minister of India. Prahlad Joshi is the Union Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, and Hardeep Singh Puri is the Union Minister of Housing and Urban Development. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. What was the theme of the World Allergy Week observed by World Allergy Organization? Option A, the global problems of food allergy. Allergy are does not stop with COVID-19. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B. Allergy care does not stop with COVID-19 is the theme of World Allergy Week. The World Allergy Week is observed from 28th June to 4th July. Okay, and it is observed by World Allergy Organization. World Allergy Organization. Next question. Which organization has recently developed a wearable doped pulse? SpaceX, NASA, JAXA, DRDO. The correct answer here is NASA. Option B is correct here. NASA has developed a wearable doped pulse that mean to alert users when they are about to touch their face. It is for awareness of the coronavirus. This instrument is developed. The round pendant, it worn around the neck, and when you raise your hand towards the head, it will vibrate and remind you to stop to touch your face. Okay, this is the doped pulse, and the NASA is in news. Abbreviation is National Aeronautic Space Administration. Headquarters is in Washington DC, and it is founded in 1958. In 1958, NASA is founded, and administrator of the NASA is Jim Bridenstine. Jim Bridenstine is the administrator. Next question. Who among the following have selected as the member of an international scientific group? Professor Ratan Lal. Option B, Dr. Uma Lele. Option C, both A and B. None of these. The correct answer here is both A and B. Professor Ratan Lal and Dr. Uma Lele recently selected as the member of the international scientific group. Okay. Professor Ratan Lal, the Ohio State University professor, and Dr. Uma Lele of the International Association of Agricultural Economists are among the scientific group member now. Okay. Next question. Who is appointed as the new MD of Cholamandalam MS General Insurance? V. Surya Narayanan, S.K. Sharma, Shubhendu Kumar. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, V. Surya Narayanan. V. Surya Narayanan, he succeeded the S.S. Gopalnathan, who will retire after serving company for 41 years, and now V. Surya Narayanan is the MD of the Cholamandalam MS General Insurance. Okay, next question. Question number 6. International Buddhist Confederation celebrated in Ashadha Purnima on which day as Dharmachakra Day? 2nd July, 3rd July, 4th July, 5th July. The correct answer here is option C, 4th July. On 4th July, International Buddhist Confederation celebrated Ashadha Purnima on July 4 as Dharmachakra Day. This day is commemorates the Buddha's first ceremony in Sarnath, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so on June 4, Dharmachakra Day is celebrated. Okay, next question. The Delhi government is all set up to launch a campaign to plant how many plant trees and crops across the city by July 26, 2020? 20 lakhs, 26 lakh, 28 lakhs, 31 lakhs. The correct answer here is 31 lakhs. About 31 lakhs plants and herbs is going to be planted in the city of the Delhi till July 26. Okay, and it is due to high level of air pollution throughout the year, to check out the pollution of the high level of air pollution throughout the year. So this plantation campaign is going to be held. Next question. Who has been awarded with Commonwealth Short Story Prize 2020 for the Great Indian Tea and Snacks? Kritika Pandey, Rita Chaudhary, Varsha Agrawal, Satyadev Burman. The correct answer here is Kritika Pandey. Kritika Pandey has been awarded as 5,000 pounds in Commonwealth Short Story Prize 2020 for the Great Indian Tea and Snacks in a virtual ceremony in London. This ceremony is virtually held in London. Okay. Next question. Question number 9. Who has been recognized with the Anna Award for her humanitarian effort in July 2020? Ayushi Singhal, Freya Thakral, Anamika Singh, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, Freya Thakral. Freya Thakral, a student of the British School, New Delhi, has been recognized with the Diana Award for her humanitarian effort. The award name is Diana Award. Okay. Next question. Question number 10. Which bank has announced Jeep Drive instant auto loans to customers across 1000 cities across the India? HDFC Bank, SBI, Yes Bank, ICICI Bank. The correct answer here is option A, HDFC Bank recently announced the Jeep Drive instant auto loan to customers across 1000 cities across the India. Okay, the headquarters of the HDFC Bank is in Mumbai. MD is and CEO of the HDFC Bank is Aditya Puri. Aditya Puri is the MD and CEO. And recently HDFC Bank launched a application named E-Kisan Dhan application for farmers. Okay, this is our question of the day. You have to answer it in the comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our next session. Our first question is, famous badminton player Lin Dan retired. He is from which country? Our second question is, KR rating forecasts Indian's economy to contract by how much percentage? Please try to answer more and more in comment section. Okay. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. Thank you.